Hello everyone and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can connect Webflow to Hotjar. So Hotjar offers multiple integration paths for Webflow sites, from simple tracking code installation to advanced behavior analytics. So while Hotjar doesn't have an official Webflow marketplace app, you can use custom code embeds for quick setup or build custom integration using the Hotjar APIs for automated workflows, user segmentation, and compliance management. So, how do we use the custom code embed? So the primary integration method uses Webflow custom code feature to embed the Hotjar tracking script site-wide. So you have to go here, search for embed code. So you simply have to search for embed code, and this is the one that you will be looking for. So once you get that, this enables immediately access to heat maps, session recordings, and feedback tools without any coding knowledge. So core capabilities include one-click installation, automatic heat map generation, session recordings, and feedback widget. To implement, copy your Hotjar tracking code from the Hotjar dashboard and paste it into Webflow site settings, custom code, head code section. After publishing your site, Hotjar automatically begins collecting behavioral data for page-specific tracking. Use Webflow's embed element to place the tracking code on individual pages instead of tracking the whole page in general or the whole website. This approach works well for landing page, campaigns, or A/B testing specific layouts. So it's very simple and easy to actually use it, even if there is no app in the marketplace at the moment. It's just by using the embed code functionality, which is not for free. It comes with the premium plan, so you need the premium plan to do it. Once you follow these steps that I have just shown you, you'll be able to actually embed them and integrate them together. And yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. Thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video. Bye bye.